Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Norad with some number boot camp. All right, do you know what number today's going to be? Look inside the circle chart. This is number 7. 7. What number? 7. What number? 7. What number? 7. All right, so we are going to look at all the ways that we can make 7. And if we want it, we're going to put it inside the number circle. And if we do not want it, we're not going to put it inside the number circle. So let's start right here. I have 5 fingers and 2 more fingers. Does that make 7? Yes or no? You tell me. Yes, 5 and 2 make 7. So we're going to put that in our circle chart. Let's come over here to this number word. It says EIGHT. That is the number word 8. So do we want that one for our circle chart? No way, Jose. We're going to throw it away. So I'm going to put it down here at the bottom. All right, let's come back over here to our tally marks. When you see a group of lines that has a diagonal line, a line going from the top to the bottom sideways in it, that means 5. So in this tally mark here, I have 5, then 3 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So that makes 8. Do I want that one for my circle chart? No way, Jose. Throw it away. We only want 7. That's too many. All right, let's look at these stars. One of my counting strategies is called touch and scoot, or line it up and touch and count. The stars are already in a line, so I'm just going to touch each one as I count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I want those? No way, Jose. Throw it away. Too many. Let me try these stars over here. I'll make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. All right, let's count these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I want these group of stars? Yes, that matches 7, so we're going to put it in there. All right, let's come over here to the group of dots. I've got red and I've got yellow. I've got 4 red on the top and 4 yellow on the bottom. Let's count and see if that's 7. Start with the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we want that one? No way. We're going to throw it away. All right. Let's try these hands that are here. I have 5 on one hand. That's a whole hand. And 3 more on the other hand. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I want that one? No way. All right, let's try these tally marks. This time, I still have a diagonal line going across the middle. So that means 5. So I have a group of 5 and 2 more. Well, over here on the hands, 5 and 2 made 7. So what do you think about over here on the blue tally marks? Do you think that will make 7 if it's 5 and 2 again? Yes, 5, 6, 7. So yes, we want this group of tally marks. Let's look at this domino. It's called a domino. How many dominoes do I have on top or above the line? 3. I have 3 on the top, and how many on the bottom? And 4. So let's see if 3 and 4 make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It does. So we're going to put it in our circle map. All right. This number word here says 8th. 8th. What number does that sound like if I say 8th? It sounds like 8, right? If you're 8th in line, then you're number 8 in line. So do we want this one? No way. Throw it away. 7th. 7th. I am 7th in line. It's like saying I'm number 7 in line. So do we want this one? Yes. 7th and 7 are the same. All right, let's check these dots here. I've got 4 red on the top and only 3 yellow on the bottom. Let's start with the red and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do you think? Should we put it in our circle? Yes, good job. All right, let's look at our 10 frame. Those green dots are inside some squares called a 10 frame. Everybody say 10 frame. 10 frame. Good. I see 5 green on the top and 2 green on the bottom. 5 and 2. Or I could see it as 4 on the left side and 3 on the right side. So 4 and 3 or 5 and 2. Let's see if that makes 7. Let's count the squares. The circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I have 7 in my 10 frame? I do have 7 in my 10 frame. So do we want that one to go into the circle chart? We do. All right, if that one has 7, this one has 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Or I could see it as 6 on the left side and 2 on the right side. Let's count and see if it has what we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we want that one? No way, Jose. Throw it away. All right, we're getting close. We're almost done. I have 1 on the top and 7 on the bottom. 1 and 7. Does that make 8? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we want that one? No way. Throw it away. It's too many. All right, my last word says S-E-V-E-N. That's the number word 7. So do we want that one? Yes, we do. All right, look at our number circle chart. What number do we have? What number? 7. Good. What number? 7. Good. What number? 7. Let's look at all the ways we found 7. Start at your fingers here on the hands. I have 5 and 2 to make 7. Then on my tally marks with the blue lines, I have 5 and 2 again. Here with the red and yellow dots, I have 4 on the top and 3 on the bottom. So 4 and 3 make 7. I have the number word 7. Here on my 10 frame, I have 5 on the top, 2 on the bottom, or 4 on the left, 3 on the right to make 7. I have the number word 7th, the ordinal number word 7th for 7th place. On my domino, I have 3 on the top, 4 on the bottom to make 7. And the stars, I have 7 stars. You could look at it as 6 on the left, 1 on the right. You could see it that way. You can also see it as 5 on the top, 2 on the bottom. You could also see it as 3 on the left and 4 on the right. So there's lots of ways to see that one, but they all make 7. So the ways that we have that we can make 7. I had 5 plus 2 to equal 7. I had 4 plus 3 equals 7. I have 3 on the top plus 4 on the bottom equals 7. We call that the flip-flop. I had 6 stars plus 1 star to equal 7. So there are some different ways to make 7. All right, boys and girls, your turn to go see if you can find all the ways to make 7 in your circle map. What number? 7. Good. What number? 7. Good. What number? 7. Very good. And to write 7 is I'm going to do a line back, a line down, a line back, a line down. That's how to make 7.